In Britain, travel chaos. Hundreds of travellers have been stranded by flight cancellations and power cuts to airports. Gatwick, south of London, was one of the most badly affected. The situation made worse by planned rail engineering works, meaning no trains to and from the airport. Some passengers waited all day and then found out their delayed flights were cancelled.
There's no flights, there's nowhere to go. Nobody's telling us anything.
The chaos has been caused by heavy rain and high winds. Across the south of Britain, roads and low-lying land have been flooded. Motorists were stranded when rivers burst their banks. Some cars were just left abandoned. Across the Channel in Brittany, northwest France, it was a similar situation. Due to the heavy rain, rivers here burst their banks, flooding towns and villages. 17 departments, mainly in Brittany, are on alert. Over 100,000 households are currently without power after trees fell on power lines. It's estimated 3 days will be needed to get everyone back online, so for some it's Christmas by candlelight. In northwestern Spain, in the province of Galicia, high winds took down road signs, damaged property and caused power cuts. Across Spain, 44 regions are on alert. At Bilbao in the Basque Country, flights were cancelled due to high winds. This plane did land safely.